Wait, did I wear my cape to bed last night? What the? Oh gosh, my clothes! How? Where'd you get? Where are you? How? Help me out! Where'd you get? What has happened to you? Ronald's torturing us now. I don't know why, but he just is. Help me! Oh no, it's happening again! Oh gosh, I love you a bunch! Don't you get? No! Oh no! Behold, I am Daisy, the bold bad guy Daisy. Oh no, I already have a bad guy. Her name is Enough is Enough. I work purple. You see, the catchiest color of them all. Oh gosh, what is happening now? Well, beware how, because we're into torturing. Well, could this get any worse? Hiya, how? We're your new friends! Yeah, we're all different! No. No! Yes! Oh, thank gosh. It was all a dream! We're not being tortured by Ronald. Of course we're not being tortured by Ronald House! What did you have usual? You know, no. Do you want to hang out with us? No!